Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is May. I am 28 years old. I live in Peñablanca, Cagayan, Philippines. I am high school graduate and I took vocational course caregiving. I am single and I have live-in partner. We're blessed with two child, one boy and one girl, with an ages of 12 years old and 11 years old. My live-in partner is a farmer. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have five brothers and two sisters. I have experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 3 years, from February 2020 to February 2023. I serve four members of the family, one couple and two children with an ages of 5 years old and 7 years old. My main duties are taking good care of the children, cooking, ironing, cleaning, doing the laundries, washing the dishes, and also feeding dogs. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn and save money for my children's needs and future, including my family. To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, patient, reliable, and willing to learn the task. The incy-wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the incy-wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you very much, Ma'am and Sir, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible and have a great day.